Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We've just finished rebuilding this Waukesha 30 series pump. We're wet testing it right now. We're hooked up to our testing tank here. A nice flow. Pump's interior lobes are in great condition. So the pump's been completely rebuilt, all new seals, bearings, as well as a brand new 5 horsepower Eurodrive. It's running at 598 RPM, which is the closest we can get to the maximum 600. Allows the pump to perform at its maximum capacity. Stainless steel base, wash down duty casters. We're operating on 460 volt. We are running at full speed right now. And as you see, you can turn that down quickly and run the full range of speed performance the pump has, which is about 30 gallons per minute max. So now we're down roughly near half flow, a little bit more. We offer rebuilding on most equipment should you need it. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. A little bit of leakage you see here. You may see a drip once in a while. Those are from the adapters. We're waiting for the new gaskets to arrive. You see we have a guard made. We just have it off to make sure the coupling's perfectly aligned, which it is. Once the gasket's in, that dripping will be ended. But we had only the old gaskets available to us right now. So once again, we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.